By the end of this module, you should be able to define heat-only gas boilers, identify the main components of a heat-only gas boiler, and identify the defining characteristics of a heat-only gas boiler.
A heat-only gas boiler, also known as a regular or conventional gas boiler, provides central heating and hot water to a home. It is designed to provide heating and hot water to a home with the support of an additional cold water tank and hot water cylinder. A regular gas boiler system is made up of 3 parts. The gas boiler itself, which sends hot water to the central heating system. A cold water tank, which feeds the hot water tank to provide hot water for daily use. A hot water cylinder, which stores hot water until it is needed. Heat-only gas boilers are perfect for busy family homes, multiple bathrooms, or to upgrade an older system that uses classic radiators. They are also compatible with solar panels, which is becoming a popular method for reducing a home's environmental impact and reducing the cost of energy bills. These boilers can cope with high-demand homes because they are installed with 2 tanks, normally using loft and cupboard space. This means lots of water availability at all times, as long as you have the space. The main components of a gas boiler include burner, heat exchanger, expansion tank, circulator pump, thermostat, ignition system, gas valve. Flue, supply lines, fan, and sensors. A heat-only gas boiler contains 3 unique components. Feed and expansion tank, a hot water cylinder, and a cold water storage tank. The expansion tank is responsible for maintaining the right level of pressure in the system by containing air and water from the central heating system. The feed valve, on the other hand, controls the water supply to the boiler and maintains the correct water pressure in the system. The feed and expansion tank are responsible for maintaining the water level in the heating system and compensating for any water that may be lost due to leaks or evaporation. A hot water cylinder is a well-insulated tank that stores water after it has been heated by a gas boiler system. The hot water is stored at high temperature, ready for use whenever it is needed. Vented hot water cylinders are connected to a cold water tank and get their water supply from this instead of the mains water supply. Some common materials used for hot water cylinders include steel with a glass lining, copper, and stainless steel. The hot water cylinder stores hot water that is heated by the gas boiler and is then distributed to taps and shower heads throughout the property. A regular gas boiler requires a large cold water tank to supply cold water from the mains that feeds the water into the boiler system. The pressure in this system is gravity-fed, so these tanks are usually fitted in a loft or attic because they need to be high above the boiler to increase the pressure of the water in your system. The cold water storage tank is typically located in the attic and is used to supply cold water to the hot water cylinder. The tank is usually made of plastic and has a capacity of around 40 gallons. In conclusion, heat-only gas boilers are a reliable choice for larger households and older systems, providing consistent hot water and efficient heating. Their compatibility with solar panels offers both environmental and cost-saving benefits, making them a popular option despite the need for additional space.